Hi, hello guys. In this video, we are going to build a chat bot, a mini version. Like what we are going to do in this video, simple. It's very simple. We are going to access the Gork API, sorry, Gork server with the use of API, which is application programming interface, right? Okay, we got our key API key from their websites. Initially, they are giving a credit of $5 to access their chat bot. Okay, so as we are developers or programmer, we have to take benefits of that. Okay, we are sending a request to the application, and the application sends a request to the server, and the server responds to it, and we are going to read the response. Okay, we are going to use the terminal to like show the chats. Okay, and how it should be, like we are going to get an input from the user and send a response, like connection between the API using API key, which is like a key for a lock, and the lock is in the server like API of the Grok. Okay, so the model name is here, and we are going to use some logic sorts. Okay, so let's go. Before we start, we have to import. Okay, it's the main one. Okay, simply what you have to do, go to API keys and click on create keys. Okay, so we have to give a name. I'm giving a chatbot. Click on verify. Okay, submit it, and it will provide a key. Yeah, it is a digital key. Okay, close the window, go to our. Okay, before we start, install Grok. Why they named it? Maybe in the next video we will see the source code of that. Okay, so I'm already satisfied, like I already done that. So make sure it is installed. So we are going to start with the Grok. Sorry, Grok import and capital G Grok. Oh shit, and make sure it is capital, man. We are going to create a client. Yeah, client is equal to Grok API dash key is equal to, on the string, copy the key, right? Okay, make a while loop. While loop, like it should be an infinite one. Okay, so get an input from the users. So we are going to create a variable user and input, which should contain like show every time user. Yeah, we are the users. Okay, we're going to another variable response, right? Response, it should be client dot chat. Just follow my steps. It is very short and easy one as compared. I tried many of this. Okay, dot, and we are having after that, what is that? Yeah, create. Okay, we created it. Inside that we have to mention the model also. Model, what is that? Don't worry, man, I'm here. LL, okay, no, LLAMA 3 dash 70B 192. Yeah, it is. Sure, that should be a comma, and the message, message should be like make a list. Inside that we are going to take that as a string. What is the role? Yeah, we are the users, right? Comma, and what's the content? If you already guessed that, then you are a programmer like the user, right? That's the content. Okay, that's it. We created a response, and we are going to print f. We need that. What is that? Chatbot. See, this part of program is for the user to send a request. Yeah, it is for the send a request. Okay, now we need a response. To take that, we create a variable response. We sent a request. To the request, they had sent a response, and the response is stored in this variable named response. Okay, chatbot. Okay, oh sorry, not bot, chatbot. Right, make a space, and inside that a response dot choice. Yeah, choice dot zero dot message dot content. Okay, that's it, guys. Our chatbot is ready. So simple, very simple. As we compare to this OpenAI and that and all, it's very easy. Right? We are going to run this. Oh god, please run. Okay, yeah, we have the user. Just normal chat. Say hello. Okay, there is a mistake over here. What is that? Yeah, it should be messages, right? So let's run it again. Say hello. Yeah, it should work. Yeah, here you can see. Okay, let me basically run that. Just run it. Say hello. And yeah, hello, it's nice to meet you. Yeah, me too. Is there something I can help you? Like, we can ask, what is uh, what is the formula for molality? Yeah, what is the formula for molality? Come on, man, say it. Okay, yeah, it is. Where is it? Yeah, number of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Okay, let's add something else. Fastest SR SS71 Blackbird. Let's see what it got. Yeah, he got that. Where is it starting? We'll go for the graphics one. Okay, next time. SS71. It's a supersonic. Yeah, it's a plane. Blackbird. Docking Shank works in the 1950s and 1960s. Okay, so iconic aircraft known as its exceptional speed, yeah, altitude, and reconnaissance capabilities. Here are some fascinating. Okay, that's it. Oh, guys, you got it right. How to work it? Okay, make sure that this API right for up to $5 credit. If the credit is zero, then these will not work. So make sure if you're having enough budget, you can go for the premium one, and if not, just change the ID and make another one and just paste it. Okay. So guys, thank you, and please subscribe and like this channel, please. Thank you. If it works, make sure share it, like it, and don't forget to subscribe. For more videos or any questions, just comment below.